students. This is our second mathematics lecture, and last lecture we have completed our basics of mathematics. So here we are going to a step further. We have learnt certain squares, certain basics operations of mathematics like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now there are more lessons regarding squares and square roots. So here we are going to learn today very basics and also a very important lesson of the squares. We are going to learn today how to squares of two-digit number by mental mathematics. So as we learned the square of 95, so 95, 5 at the last digit. So one method is that we could do 5 square, that is 25, and the next digit of 9, that is 10, and multiply with 10 and 9, that is 90. So the result is 9025. But the second method is that here we consider the base as 100. Base as 100. So first of all, you would think about the 95 digit is how far from 100. It is just a 5 digit. Okay, 95 is just 5 digits or 5 steps before from 100. So first of all, we should square of this distance, that is 25. Again, 95 is 5 from the 100. Okay, so we could do the square of the 5, that is 25. And again, 95 is 5 digit from the 100. So that distance must be subtracted from the 95. That is 95 minus 5, that is 90. And this 90 is put over here. So 9025 would be the answer. Simple steps. You would consider the distance of the 95 from 100, that is 5, and do square of the 5, that is 25. And again, 95 is the 5 distance from 100, and that 5 should be subtracted from the number, that is 95. 95 minus 5, and that is 90, and that 90 would be placed before the 25. So our answer is 9025. One more simple step. Take further example. 99 square. 99 is how far from 100? That is 1. So 1 square is 0, 1. Here we took 2 digits. Though the 1 square is 1, but we need 2 digits. So that is why we put 0 before the 1. Now 99 is 1 step ahead from the 100. So that 1 could be subtracted from 99, that is 9809. So the result is 9809. So the 99 square is 9809. 99 is one step ahead or one step further from the 100. So that 1 square is 01, and that 1 could be subtracted from 99, that is 98. Now the next example, 98 square. 98 is how far from the 100? That is 2, and that 2 square is 04, and 98 is 2 step ahead from the 100. So that 2 step must be subtracted from 98, that is 9604 would be the answer. Now do mentally. 97 square. 97 is 3 ahead from the 100. So 3 square is 09, and that 3 must be divisible, must be subtracted from 97, that is 9409. 96 square. So it is ahead like 100 4 distance from the 100. So 4 square, that is 16, and that 4 must be subtracted from 96, that is 9216. 94 is 6 subtracted, 6 digit ahead from the 100, that is 6 square, that is 36, and 6 must be subtracted from 94, that is So here, first we subtracted 4 from the 94, that is 90, and 2, that is 88. So here the answer is very simple method. Do it. Watch this video again and again. Whenever you feel something query, you found something query, pause the video and repeat this video. Watch this video again and again, and your all doubts will be clear. Now the same method, okay, but the very common and different, not so difficult examples. So 101 square. See, earlier we have seen that all the squares uh, before the hundreds. Now it is the squares of the numbers, and the numbers are ahead from the hundreds. Okay, so but the rule is same, the logic is same. 101 is one step ahead from the hundred. The very next, okay, one step ahead from the hundred. So 1 square is 01. We need 2 digits, so we made it. 1 square is 01, and further 101 is one step from the hundred, so that one must be added. So here 101 is the next from the hundred, so we could addition over here, not the subtraction. 98, 95, all the digits are before from the hundred, so we could subtract from the hundred. But here that all the numbers are the ahead, are the next numbers from the hundred, so we could here addition. So once one must be added to 101, that is 102, and put it for before the 01. So the square is 1021. Okay, now again 102 square. So here 2 square is 04, and this is the 100. 104 is the two step next to the 100. So 2 square, that is 0204, and 2 must be added with this number, so 10404. So our answer is 10404. Now whether this method is true or not, if you want to check, then uh, come to the example, that is 105 square. As our previous and very easiest method, the square of a number ending with 5, that is done by the 5 square, that is 25, and 10, the next number is 11, multiply this, so 11025. And the second method, that is 105, that is 5 from the 100, 5 ahead from the 100, so 5 square, that is 25, and 5 ahead, so that 5 number must be added to the 105. So answer is 11025. Very much pretty clear. Okay, now 104 square. So 104 is 400 from the 4 step ahead from the 100. So 4 square, that is 16, and that 4 must be added to the 104, that is 108, 16, 09, and 10609. How I could this, think over it and try to repeat all these sums and further your by your own way. And if you find any difficulty, please stop or pause it over here and watch this video again and again. Now mixed practices. Okay, so again it is very simple. 85 square is first, our the last digit is 5, and whenever you will struck with the numbers which has having a 5 at the last position, so do it first method only, because it is very simple. So 5 square, that is 25, and 9 is the next step of 8, so 7225. Okay, and by our own method, so 85 must be the 15 before from the 100. So 15 square, that is 225, but we need only 2 digits, so 2 must be carry, 2 must be query. Okay, and 85 is the 15 from the 100, so that 15 number must be subtracted from 85, so that is 70. Okay, but 2 carry is added to this number, so 70 plus 2, that is 72, and 25. So answer would be the same, whatever the method you will use, but the answer would be the same. Now 115 squares. Okay, again the last number is 25, so 5 square is 25, and the next number is 12, so 12 multiplied by 11. Okay, so 12 tens are 120 and plus 12, so 132. Okay, uh, the two multiplied by 2 digit will be covered in some lectures in future, so don't worry about it. Here you should understand the concept. And the second method is 150 is 15 ahead, 50 next 50 the next from the 100, so 15 square is 225, so 2 must be carry. Okay, and 15 ahead, so 15 must be added to 115, so 130 and 2 given, so 132 25. The answer would be the same. 89, 89 is 11, 11 from the 100, 11 ahead from the 100. Okay, so or 11 negative from the 100 is okay. So 11 square is 121, 1 is carry, and that number is 11 ahead, 11 ahead from the 100, so 11 must be subtracted from the 89. So if we subtract 10 from 89, that is 79, but we could subtracted 11, so 78, and that one carry should be given, that is 79. So answer is 7921. Okay, now 101, 101 square is, so it is 9 further from the 100, so here 9 square, that is 81. Okay, and it is 9 further, so that 9 must be added to this number, so 11881 would be the answer. Okay, now again, so this would be covered in the next lecture, so be patient and do practice regularly. So what is the lesson of today? You should continue the squares, whatever covered in today's lecture. Do as much practice as you can, so you can do over here, so 1 to 30 square and 70 to 130 squares by your own way. So today's homework is you should do 1 to 30 square, okay, and 70 to 130 square. So this must be remembered. Okay, there is no any options. I though I have also taught you tricks to remember this 1 to 30 squares, so you should write it again 2 times today. Okay, and try to practice 70 to 130 squares by this method. So do it. So this is today's homework, and if you find any difficulty, we are going to have a conversation or conference call today at the evening. So see you soon. Thank you.